We're going to cover the installation of the Intouch Missions software from Electronic Ministry Resources. A couple of prerequisites before you do the install. You want to make sure if it's a test machine, it is fine to install it on Windows 10 Home or in a Microsoft account environment. But if this is going to be your production machine, in other words, this is the one you're going to attach to the touchscreen, or maybe it is an all-in-one, you want to make sure you're on a local account. And to do that, you simply go into Settings, click on Accounts in the Settings app, and it will bring you to here. And if you're, like I am, logged into a Microsoft account, what you want to do is you want to create a local account. So you would go to Family and Other Users, add someone else to this PC. Microsoft assumes that you want a Microsoft account, but I don't have this person's sign-in information. Click that, and then it will give you the option of adding a user without a Microsoft account. So we'll just call this admin. So you click Next, and then it shows admin local account. Change account type. You want to make this account an administrator, and then click OK. Then what you want to do is you want to sign out of that account and sign back in. So I will see you back in that account here in just a second. Okay, I did log into the new user, and I changed the background, and there's some other things that you may want to do as far as prerequisites, but now we are in a local, we'll go here, accounts, we are in an admin local account administrator. Okay, and that's where you want to be if you're going to do production. In other words, if this is going to be your system. If you're just testing it, none of this is necessary, and you can move on to the next step, which is to go to our website, electronicministryresources.com. You can get there by eminresources.com. Type that in, press enter, it'll take you to the website, and you can just simply click on the download link and it'll take you to the install page. Windows 10 Pro is required for kiosk mode, so if you're going to run it in production, you want Windows 10 Pro. It'll run on Windows 10 Home Edition just fine, but you don't have the option of locking the software down to keep kids from going to Facebook or wherever. They can minimize the app, and then they have a Windows desktop. Okay, so click here to install on your PC. This is going to open the app installer, the Windows Store app installer. So you click Open, and then it'll open up the installer here, and it goes over, here's the things, IoT, manage your apps directly, click Install and move on. It'll download the software that it needs automatically. So if you're like missing something, like used to .NET was a big deal, and if you were missing it, then it will automatically download that and install it. Here's while it updates, and then it'll download the pinch and zoom map. That'll take, depending on your internet connection, it may take 30 or 40 seconds. It's not a huge map, but it does have some size to it, but it's not, like 4 gigs or anything like that. But if you're on a modern internet connection, then it'll go fairly quickly. And you see there's the installation.